everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Happy New Year! Happy 2021! What is one of our favorite New Year's resolutions? Let's get organized in 2021. And that's exactly what this series is about. Let's get some of those areas in your home that need some help organized for January. So this January, we are going to get organized and have some fun doing it. Happy New Year and happy organizing from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Okay, here's some tips on how I organize my spice rack. My spice rack was so bad that you'd open this cabinet and everything would fall out all over the place. So first of all, I picked up one of these. It's a pull-out door that holds 2 levels of my spices. That increased my room in my cabinet by a lot. So that really helped on that problem. Another thing, I went through and got rid of all the spices that was way too old. And then I had a lot of spices in small, tiny containers. So I picked up containers this size and labeled them and put what was in it in a bigger container to cut down on all those tiny little bottles. And so that added a lot of space in my cabinet. So these are just 3 tips on how to organize your cabinet. First, just clean out that spice cabinet. Get rid of the stuff that's too old. Secondly, think about getting some kind of drawer or organizer to increase the amount of spices you can put in your cabinet, and get rid of some of the small containers if you have multiple of the same size, and get a bigger container for that same spice. Hope that helps you get organized this spice cabinet this year.